So, the Everlystock Bando Bag Standard. I had this for a year now, so I think I can speak confidently about it. Um, I use this for my everyday carry and mga ibang essentials na ginagamit ko pag lumalabas ako. Now, I believe a guy has to have one of these, either a cross bag or a fanny pack. Um, basta, you need to have all these essentials. Lalo na pag bumabiyahe ka, pag nagpupunta ka sa mga iba't ibang lugar almost every day. This is very important. Um, kasi, as a guy, there's a lot of things that we need to look out for. There's people we need to protect. And marami nangyayari sa buhay natin bilang lalaki. That's just about it. So, I'm here to show you what this bag can do, what it handles, and ano ang pwede mo ilagay dito. So, I bought this from the US, pero meron sa Lynx. I also bought some of my stocks from Lynx din. May mga nagpabili sa akin, pero Lynx FA, that's in Green Hills. Really good shop, very friendly people. All right, so this is Everlystock did not say what type of material they used, pero I've heard from other sources na it's made of durable 100% polyester. Some say it's a highly durable 420D Cordura nylon. Um, but for me, it is great. It's good material. Okay, punta tayo dito sa harapan. This is where I usually store my cash. Tsaka mga barya. Para easy access, you don't have to go through the whole entire bag. Nandito siya lahat. Yeah. Malaki naman siya. Kasya, pera, at mga barya. So, onto the second zipper. Ito naman is yung main compartment niya, I believe. Well, I think it's main kasi dito lahat. So, ayan. Dito lahat ng laman ng aking bag. So, over here, this is a place where you put your tourniquet. Pero, I don't think that's important for me, just for my use case, kasi pang extremes na yun. But I put my knife here. It's suggested that you put your knife in your pocket, pero I usually put it here. About the legalities of owning this, as long as you use it for work or whatnot, you can own one of these. I use it for camping kasi lagi ako nagka-camp, so I have one of these. Okay. Next up is my headset. Yan, my Bluetooth headset. Pag hinihintay ko yung fiancé ko sa parlor, I need one of those to keep me busy. My Olight Baton 4. This is a great tool. Sobrang lakas na ito. Ang tagal din ng baterya niya. And I'll talk about this on another video. Pero I use this a lot. Pag may sinisilip ako sa lamin sa sasakyan, pag medyo madilim yung mga pupunta namin, I always keep that handy. Next is petroleum jelly because my lips chap every time. And then antihistamines because allergic ako sa lahat. Then our cards. So dito ko lang nilalagay yung mga cards ko. Next up is my second mag. Tago lang natin siya. Maliit lang yung kinikerry ko, so it's a small one. Although standard size mags, magkakasya din yan. But this one's a 6-rounder. This is a really important tool. This is a multi-tool. It saves you from bringing all these crazy tools with you, yung mga pliers and everything. This has everything I need. This one's from Perwin. Also bought this in the US. It has a lot of features and stuff. I'll talk about this on another video too, if you guys want. Next up is a lighter. I don't smoke, pero tingin ko kailangan natin to. Minsan itong mga ganyan, sinusunog ko or what, or may birthday tayo pinuntahan, biglang kailangan natin maglabas ng ano. So, yeah. Next is my MagSafe wallet. This one's from UAG, made from Kevlar. Really nice. So, with these things out of the way, kasya pa rin ang phone ko dito. I use a 17 Pro. Medyo makapal siya, but it still fits. On this side, I can't really put much here. So, ang nilalagay ko lang dito yung panlinis ko ng salamin. Kasi ayoko siya madumihan masyado. Although butas-butas to. Yun ang nilalagay ko dyan. So, ayan. Wala masyado malalagay dyan. Maybe some important papers pwede mo lagay dyan, pero not much. This is not waterproof by any means. So, better not store your important stuff here, or important papers, by the way. Okay, now onto the pistol compartment. Dito nakalagay ang Glock 43 airgun ko, just for context, para makita nyo lang siya. I am a little bit paranoid. So, meron na on ganito. Tapos meron pa on trigger guard. I don't know, it just makes me feel safe that I have this on. Although, in the US, their use case, they don't use this really. They just use the pistol, and then nandyan lang siya. It's like sitting over here. Wala nang holder or whatnot. So, that's what they use. For me, this is a place where you put your trigger guard. Dalawa yan. So, for left and righties, you can use this. So, pagka bukas, emergency, pack, and that's it. Don't worry, guys. Wala yan kasi airgun lang siya. Again, then I use my flashlight. So, yan siya. Overall, this has taken me to places. Riding a bike, it's good when you ride a motorcycle. It's good when you're using it sa mall, nakakotse. Everything is great. This one's easy access. Now for the cons, I think ang mga reklamo ko lang dito is sometimes this when you're walking, it opens on its own for some reason. Pero hindi naman yung bukas na bukas. No? So it just opens up like this. So you need to check it once in a while. For emergency, you may have a tendency of opening this one, so hindi siya mabubuksan. What my friends do is they put this inside, and then they close it. Or yung iba naman, tinatanggal nila completely. So, you do you. The other gripe I have about this bag is yung medyo na siya, maluwag na yun dito. Medyo na yung garter niya. Hindi na siya masyadong elastic. Did I say that right? Ayan. So, hindi na siya masyadong ganun. Yeah, but overall, I love this bag. It does the job, and it's perfect for everyday carry. My next one will be the Everly Stock Fate Flex, which is all black. That one's also nice. Ganda din nun. That one is for a more, a more decent look. Very minimalist. It's just black. Although this one is also okay kasi hindi siya mukhang tactical na bag. So, low-key lang siya. I don't know, maybe pag-release ko na ito, alam na nila kung ano to. But for now, it's all good. All good in the hood. All right. Thanks for watching, guys. See you on the next.